Akiflow versus Motion in 2025. Which productivity app is best for you? In this quick under 3 minute breakdown, I'll compare their features, pricing, and who each app is really made for. And for now, let's dive in. Akiflow overview. First, Akiflow, think of it as your central productivity hub. It's built for people who want time blocking combined with a unified inbox. It pulls in tasks from apps like Slack, Gmail, Notion, and Asana, then lets you schedule everything on your calendar with drag and drop simplicity. The big win, clarity. It reduces context switching and keeps all tasks in one place, but it is more manual. You are the one designing your day. Motion overview. Now, Motion takes a very different approach. It is an AI powered productivity assistant. And instead of you manually scheduling tasks, Motion automatically plans your entire day. It prioritizes tasks, rearranges meetings if something urgent comes up, and makes sure deadlines are hit. This works great for busy professionals who have unpredictable schedules. The downside, this control, some users feel the AI can overplan or reschedule things in ways they do not love. And for the pricing, in terms of pricing, Akiflow costs around $19 per month, while Motion is more expensive at about $34 per month. So Motion is pricier, but you are paying for the AI automation. Who should use which? So which one is better? If you are someone who wants total control, loves time blocking, and prefers a structured but manual system, Akiflow is for you. But if you want the AI to do the heavy lifting and your schedule changes constantly, Motion will save you hours. Bottom line, Akiflow is the best for planners who want clarity and structure. Motion is the best for busy people who want automation and efficiency. Which one fits your workflow? Let me know down below in the comments. And that's all for our today's comparison. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.